Family, welcome to the vlog. I was meant to have like been recording what's going on, the setup and everything, picked up some ice and then guests started coming. Nothing was sorted as usual, but we made it happen, man. It's now 1:05 p.m. August the 12th. It is the RA 6th birthday bash.
Let's do this right. Let's go to this shit be like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive. Feel like we in paradise. Paradise. Don't know if it's a drink I pour, but I swear I've never loved you more. With you right here, I come alive. One more hit and we can fly. This shit feel like
Little nephew setting up the Jengas. Ethan, want to say what's up to the family?
What's up?
Mr. Ethan out here. Remember when you were a little kid and you're on the channel?
Yep.
I'm about to cut to a little clip of you, man. I'm going to find it.
This is the jump rope coach.
That's good. Nice, good job.
Yay!
Well done.
I wonder what's next.
I'll show it to you when it's done. Little nephew out here. We got my brother-in-law back on the channel 2 days in a row. Hello. Debut on debuts. Weather is looking kind of tidy. It's still windy. It's not going to rain apparently, but yeah, clear skies for now. And yeah, we've got the garlands. The setup is crazy. The team have done so much work behind the scenes. We're gonna check in with what's going on and what they've all set up for the party. This is the registration table, peeps. This is what we've got going on. Got some garlands to hand out. Then back here, we got Mama Rush back here. Say what's up to YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Mumsy's little table here. She's got little testers of the sauce. We got flirt cakes in the house. Here's my sis.
Hiya.
Say what's up.
What's up?
What have you got prepared for everyone?
All right, so I've got my signature cookies. They're my double chocolate chip cookies, the white and milk chocolate.
Oh, it's all, look at the brand, look at the branding set up.
And then I've got my loaves, the chocolate loaves with Italian meringue buttercream. These are the salted caramel and toffee cake.
Done a lot of effort. I appreciate you. Big love, man. My sister is absolutely sick in the game of baking. So if you guys want to get anything for your loved ones, cakes, birthday cakes, wedding cakes, all that kind of jazz, go check her out, Flirt Cakes. Boom. How was the journey today from Luton?
It was alright. It was alright.
Man like Darren in the house.
Yeah.
This is like your what, second time here now?
This is my second time. I'm definitely planning to come in again.
Look at the swag this guy.
Of course.
Big up for coming, bro.
Yeah, man.
Carmine from America.
That's right.
This is a long way. You might be the furthest person to make it here, bro.
You hear that, everyone?
That's mileage.
I made it.
Don't be shy, Lisa. Come on, come on, come on. We got Lisa here today, and we got Sylvie, right?
Sylvia, yes.
Sylvia. How far have you guys travelled from?
Northeast London, nearly a 2-hour drive.
Look at that, put it there, man.
Dedication.
Dedication.
Yeah.
This is your second time at Fly City, right?
Yeah.
How was your first time?
Brilliant.
Yeah.
That's why I came back.
So she's back. Sylvia, how long have you been in the game for skipping? Have you been trying?
Over a year.
Over a year?
Yeah, I've been a little bit consistent. I'm more consistent now, so I'm progressing more. So yeah,
Good.
hopefully again as good as Lisa.
You gonna get your ropes out later?
We'll see, we'll see.
You'll see, yeah? We've got Fabrizio in the house.
Yeah.
We got Charlotte back. Second time at Fly City, right?
Yes, very excited.
It was
to
that
be
good
here
the first time, yeah?
Yes, had to come back for another round.
Where have you guys dropped in from?
Wiltshire,
Wiltshire, how far is that?
about 2.5 hours today.
Fucking hell. So much for coming. Are you from there as well?
Yeah, Swindon.
Swindon?
Yeah.
How's your skipping game?
It's okay, yeah. Just sort of beginner to intermediate level.
Yeah?
So far.
We're gonna get our ropes out later, maybe?
Yes, we've got more packs.
I've got plenty inside there.
Awesome.
Where have you come in from again? I know where you're coming from. Let the people know.
East
How far?
London.
East London, another East London massive.
It's been a whole trip to get here.
We got a few. How long did it take you?
We took a train, we took a bus, we took a tram, we got lost. We went through some alleyway.
Manisha, where are you from?
Hastings.
See, how far is Hastings from here?
About hour and a half, southeast England, near Brighton.
It's a mish, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It's a mish.
Especially in the car with 3 kids.
My name is Bob. I've been skipping for about almost a year right now. I'm from Birmingham. It was about like 3 hours to get here, but I'm so glad that I got here.
You
really excited.
You drove us all right?
Yep.
This guy's a legend, man. Birmingham is far, guys. If you're watching from outside the UK, Birmingham is actually like.
If you're excited about skipping, you'll come. 3 hours is nothing.
back, baby.
You rolling?
Fuck it. I think so. Check the settings, bro.
My guy.
The main guy, we missed him. It's been what, 7 months?
Has been about 7 months, 6-7 months.
It's been a long time. What you been up to? Let the peeps know, man. How you been?
Nothing.
Banging out the content now.
Yeah. So you guys know I love my food, so we're back on the food grind.
The main guy always for this place.
I got a lot of love and time for
this
Russia.
guy's part of the bricks and bones and stones in this place, bro. I missed you, man.
I miss you too, bro. It's good seeing you.
It's good seeing you, man. Good seeing you. Little dustbin edit, yeah?
Dustbin edit.
Finally doing some work.
Finally! I grinded for 2 years. Oh, Rush!
Buddy.
We back again.
We're back.
How many times have you been here now?
It's my 3rd time.
I think 3rd appearance
Actually,
now.
4th if you include when it was empty, when it was an empty
You're
shell.
sit for coming down, man. Got Mr. Stew in the house. Are you skipping today?
I don't think anyone wants to see that.
All right, people, let's get some good lighting. We got Sarah in the house. Sarah has been training. You're so short, man. What's the best angle to get you on the camera, man? You've been training here with me, right?
Yeah.
How you been finding it?
You are one of the best teachers I never met, honestly.
She's being kind, man. She's being kind. What's your favorite part about Fly City?
The training.
The fly pod.
Yeah, so nice.
She's got some good skills. You gonna be skipping today?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Hopefully get.
I have a cheat, but I will do my best.
Oi, any OG?
Hey, listen,
any OG followers?
I can tell you so many stories about this guy.
Nah.
So many stories about the beginning of Rush Athletics. It's been mad, but I'm so proud of how far you've come, man.
You're a real one.
Let me tell you a story.
This guy's fixed up a lot of shin splints out there, man. A lot of injuries out there.
The whole Tesla thing, yeah. We were sitting down one time, yeah, and we were just laughing and joking about it. About, let's get a Tesla, man, do some donuts in your little back cave. And look, he's literally made it happen, man. So that is mad thing. That's testament to him, though.
Brother, you've been here from day one, man.
He speaks things into existence, man.
Nah, I love you, bro. That little 360 stub is sick. Look, the squat king. You're the squat king, bro.
Yes, sir.
You are the squat king.
Learn from the best.
How long you been skipping for them?
I've been skipping for 3-4 years now. You know, making it part of my daily routine.
Yeah.
If I don't skip, I feel like I'm missing out during the day. I feel like I always started skipping. It's like my morning coffee. So I just start off with skipping.
Every day, guy, yeah.
Every day. Every day.
Welcome to the Mecca of skipping, bro. Little Koppenberg for the man.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Pull up the single turn up. Pull up the single turn up. Pull up the single turn up. Pull up the single turn up.
If you succeed, it's like you hate, then you failed. So I would say personally, find something that you like and find something that is also a niche. Rush was the first to this market and he mastered it. And I would say this has never been a better time ever to make it. You're in a revolution, AI revolution, tech revolution, everything's there for you.
My name's Joshana. I started skipping during lockdown and I used the Amazon rope. It was not as good as his one, obviously. Came across Rush Athletics and his ropes it was up there.
This is like a proper little marketing plug
It was
now.
up there. What I gained out of it. It helps you meet a lot of people as well that like-minded like you. Skipping is a nice hobby to pick up, like if you don't like running or something. Skipping is another alternative.
Quick game with Jordan. Is it overhand? Oh shoot, that was sick. Right. Go in!
Finally made it to Fly City.
After 5 years,
to meet the man, the myth, the legend right here.
You've been skipping for what, about 5 years, 6 years?
Yeah.
What's the biggest thing it's done for your life?
I mean, just my general fitness is just, you know, the best ever. Like I tell all my friends, you know, if you do jump rope, you'll just kind of like melt the fat away within weeks.
I appreciate you coming down.
Yeah,
Much
thanks
love.
a lot. Great party.
We'll see you again for some more
All the
skipping.
best for Rush Athletics.
Yeah. Say bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Good seeing you girls. Look at this, man. Hey, it's good meeting you, man.
Pleasure meeting you, man.
This is one of them special Ubers.
Pleasure. I love your brand.
Oh, thank you.
I love everything, man. No, seriously.
Listen, you guys are always welcome if you're ever local.
Everything was really nice.
Thank you.
And you put energy in your business and they help them.
Yeah, man, it's good stuff.
What'd you cop, Big John?
2 of your new teas that's coming out next week. Had to be done.
You got their space dudes, yeah? That's right. This
guy's
always a hookup, man. It's always a hookup, bro.
Stay inspired, people. Stay hungry.
What you bought yourself, bro?
I'm hungry again.
Your sister's cookies. Supporting the cause.
Oh, guy.
Bro,
always love seeing you.
We'll be back on the channel
now
soon.
You're on the other side of the camera. This is weird.
I know.
I know. Makes me even more sad, bro.
We'll be back soon, though.
We might need to catch you on the vlog now.
Soon. One time.
You're now going to be the supporting character, bro.
Wasn't I the supporting character?
You were the
Family, RA crew, love you all.
Did you have fun?
Mate, it was amazing. So good to be back.
Sick of it once again. The pizza was nice, by the way, as well.
Yeah, the pizza
good.
It was a nice touch. We saw it when we come in. We were like, yeah, let's get on that pizza. The margarita.
No, I'm glad. Alright, listen, love you guys, man.
Alright, see you later.
Peace.
Bye.
You had fun?
Yeah,
Met a lot of
really
people?
good. Loved it, yeah, loads.
Yeah. What's your favourite part of the
Am I
building?
supposed to look at the camera?
It's kind of weird. You can look at me if you want.
Okay, I'd rather look at you.
This, to be fair, this is your debut on YouTube, right?
Yeah,
This is Gemma, everyone. What have you enjoyed the most?
Just skipping with everyone.
The main floor,
like
yeah?
The whole vibe, yeah, and the main floor.
Alright.
Amazing.
If you're in Swansea, if you're in Wales, if there's anyone watching, you never know.
Give us a shout.
Alright, family, it is now coming up to 8 p.m. and yeah, folks have been filtering out. Still got people upstairs partying a little bit, drinking up, eating food. What a day, man. What a fucking sick day. Excuse my French. To everyone who came down, showed love, appreciate you. Hopefully I had a chance to kind of give you guys enough time, and I felt like I was bouncing around everywhere. Yeah, the vibes were, again, as always, just super nice. It's just family vibes, and that's just what this game's about, man. This is what this place is all about. It's just bringing, again, people together. And I can't thank you enough. You guys behind this camera as well, like the support you guys have given me to allow people to connect from so many different walks of life, and then have them come under one roof like for a day. It's just phenomenal. Honestly, it's just madness. Again, what can I say? An amazing day, amazing time just spending with so many different people, listening to stories, hearing people's journeys, and all the love that people share, telling me like how much my work has helped or inspired or motivated them to get into something that they truly feel passionate about. And that's what this is all about, man. Standing here with the first shipment, this product is going to be the best speed rope out there in the world, and it's going to be making its way into everyone's gym bag, into everyone's house. It's Sunday, August the 20th. We are 1.5 hours away from the launch of our Rush Athletics speed rope, aka the money rope. 10 seconds left, going to disable the site password. Now officially live. 2 years of hard work has come to this point today. We've got the money rope out to you, to the world. Yes guys, just got back from work, nearly 9 o'clock. We're now 18 hours after launch. We are working 15-hour days, making sure that we can build this venture together, making sure that we can build this movement together. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for helping me just kind of fulfill my potential, guys. This is something that I always knew I wanted to do, which was just to kind of change lives, to make people feel better about themselves. I want you guys to know that this channel was built to allow you guys to find that time, because a lot of people think they don't have time to go gym, or they don't have time after work or before work. Literally guys, skipping rope, a heavy rope, like the new legacy rope that's coming out, something like this will change your game, will change your lifestyle. We have reached 10,000 subscribers. Yes, Jump Nation family, we have reached 20,000 followers tonight on Instagram. I'm so proud, I'm so blessed. Guys, we have reached 30,000 subscribers on YouTube. Skipping made me a winner. And it made me a winner up here. People don't understand the mental game, the mental side to skipping. 2 days out from the exhibition, there's so much to do, like a ton of things to do. Yes guys, we are parked up and we have found our spot. Here we are, Rush Athletics guys. We're ready to roll tomorrow. All of this wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for you guys out there. Like, I'm humbled, I'm massively like overwhelmed, and I just want to get the best value out there for you. LA crew, make sure you're ready. New York crew, more updates to come, but you guys make sure you are all there. We are finally here guys, we are in California. everyone associated with the brand, RA, the movement. Jumping rope, guys, skipping, whatever you guys call it in your country, is a real movement. It's something that gets people together. The community is strong, it's growing, it's bigger. Whatever rope you want to buy, just pick up a rope. I'm trying to make it accessible to as many people out there in the world. I'm trying to give you guys all the tools you need and to make you feel better about the way you guys train and feel in life. This channel is not just motivation, it is fitness, it is lifestyle, it is culture. It's why humans connect, it's why humans stay stronger together. We need to be positive, we need to stay energetic and just and share the love.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.